Morning, guys. I got this new concealer and I'm gonna do like a first impression. So this is NARS Vanilla and this is Laura Mercier 1N. It's a little bit more yellow. I'm not a big fan of the brush. Wait, when did I make this? Like 3 days ago?
Yeah.
I think it'll still be fine, right?
Should be.
Yeah. Okay, let's go make it. There's a random hole in this one. Okay. For breakfast, I have my Oatmilk latte, Chobani, peach yogurt, almond flour, banana pancakes. This recipe is from this packaging. This is Bob's Red Mill natural almond flour, and this is the recipe that I use. I don't know if it's because of the cinnamon, but it tends to burn really easily, so if you're ever making this, make sure you keep an eye on it. I'll come back for lunch. Hey guys. For lunch / dinner, we're gonna be making maple soy glazed salmon. It's by Skinny Taste. I will link the recipe down below. We have the salmon here from Sprouts, asparagus. The recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. I have maple syrup right here.
She smells good.
She smells the salmon. So 3 tablespoons. And the recipe calls for 3 tablespoons reduced sodium soy sauce, but I only have regular, so I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of water. And then 1 tablespoon sriracha.
Oh, it smells good.
Right?
Yeah.
And then okay. It says to marinate the salmon for like 30 to 40 minutes, but we're pretty hungry, so we're going to skip that step and just go straight into cooking the salmon. So we have all the salmon deskinned.
Yes.
We're just going to use like 3 pieces. I'm going to wash these. Peter's gonna work on the salmon. I'm going to work on the asparagus. This is our favorite seasoning. It's going to squeeze.
Nicole doesn't eat as much as me. So she only has like 1 fillet.
Yeah, about
And I got 2. And she made these really good looking asparagus.
Yum.
Okay.
Okay.
There it is.
My partner Ben's gonna stick
Is it
around for a
good?
little bit, and I.
Looks perfect.
I know, right? Wow.
Here it is.
I really like these
So
shirts.
I'd like to talk about where you think there's waste.
So
We got Rosie this bowl. It's stainless steel whisker stress-free bowl, and she's been eating a lot better. So I'm really happy with this purchase. Hey guys, it's the next day. I did drink my BCAA and worked out. After shower, I ate omurice, which I will show you right now. My mom made us omurice. Looks pretty good. It has a lot of vegetables like potatoes, onions, carrots, and all of that. I think there's also beef, ground beef. There's rice, and it's covered in egg. I ate that, and it's not enough for, breakfast. So after makeup, I'm going to make salmon with Peter. Yesterday, I showed you guys my first impression of the Mercier concealer. This is Flawless Fusion Ultra-Longwear Concealer, and I didn't know how I felt really, so I'm going to do a second impression and see if I like it today. Yesterday I talked about how I didn't like the applicator because it's so flimsy, and I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit hard to work with. What I love about the concealer though is that the color is really nice. Like the NARS creamy concealer, the colors are a little bit more on the pinkier side. I have an acne scar right here. I'm gonna try to cover that. Here. I think it has like a light to medium coverage. It's not bad. I don't think there's anything special to it. Gonna finish my makeup and I'll see you in the kitchen. Today is another salmon day. We have the de-skinned salmon leftovers from yesterday. I was going to use another skinny taste recipe that we tried before. It's called honey teriyaki salmon with asparagus. I will link this recipe down below, but we also have this sauce, sweet and spicy teriyaki marinade and sauce by Kinder's. So we're just going to use this instead of making our own sauce. We've never tried this before, so I'm pretty excited. This one is non-GMO, organic, 1 tablespoon equals 30 calories. It has a little bit of sugar and sodium, but I think overall it's pretty good. We're going to cook our asparagus just like yesterday. Again, this is our favorite seasoning. It's the roasted garlic and herb seasoning by Weber. I'm going to cook this with this and salmon with this. We're just gonna do 3 tablespoons for now and then see if you need more. Yeah? We're going to add crushed chili peppers, smells really good. That sauce is good.
Good job with that.
So, I heard about you and Chris. Nice. Nothing's gonna.
Eating the Hawaiian barbecue chips again. It's honestly the best. Yes.
Hey, you okay?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Listen, what I said this afternoon was